In this tutorial I will show you how to make flag mockups in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Quick Selection tool. Now we will select the flag area. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Right-click, choose the Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur and choose the Gaussian blur. Follow these settings. Press OK. Go to Image, Adjustment and choose the level. Go to File and choose Save As. Save this file. Go to Rectangular tool and draw the shape. Right-click and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Down the opacity. Press Ctrl T, right-click and choose this wrap. Follow these settings. Follow the process. Opacity 100%. Alt-press Create a clipping mask. Double-click on this layer. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the picture. Click on Place. Adjust the image. Press Ctrl S, save. Change the blending option, multiply. Go to Filter. Distort and choose Displace. Follow these settings and press OK. Select the file and click Open. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.